Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. It should be somewhere here. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recents. If you want to, you can close them manually one by one just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear All, which is in the right upper corner. And just tap on it, we just got back so we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.